Yo, what is up, friend? How you doing? So you are using the page team and you want to do your Shopify homepage redirect to product page and you don't even know how to go about it. Oh God, no, I'm going to teach you how to go about it in this video tutorial. By the time you're done, you will be able to redirect from homepage just like this to your product page. And before I even go ahead to teach you how to do it, let me show you something. I've done something to this page right now. And if I should refresh, it's going to redirect me to the product page. Check it out. Oh, okay, that's what I'm going to teach you in today's video tutorial. And by the time you're done, you're also going to become a pro doing this easily. And this thing just takes a few seconds to do and you're good to go. There is no complication. Now let's get straight to the video. Tataria. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to come here to your online store and themes, okay? And you want to come to this part that says, this is my pitch theme, as you can see, okay? And you want to come here to this part that shows three dotted line and you want to click on edit code. All right, not editing, edit code. But please, before you even do that, you can try as much as possible to duplicate this theme. Because so that in case you're a beginner and maybe a mistake wants to happen, at least you know that your original theme is safe. All right, so you can first duplicate it, then now publish what you duplicated and make the changes to the duplicated theme. All right, so that way it will be copy of pitch instead of pitch. Right, but if you're good to go, it's all fine. So I'm not going to duplicate here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on edit code, and right here is the theme Explorer interface. Okay, so you want to come here to layout. All right, please not base.css or anything, layout. Okay, so you want to come to layout and theme liquid. Those are the only things you click: layout, theme liquid, and right here is where we're coming to. All right, so now the first thing we want to do, as you can see, here is my store. Okay, so you see it's just the home page. Now normally this is just a default store, so that's why you send this over. This is the home page. All right, so now I'm gonna go back here. You can see right here is the interface. All right, so I'm going to give you something that you're going to paste right away. So the only part we're going to touch is this. Okay, this one, lang, or this part. This is where we want to work on, and the only thing we're working on is to paste something in between this lang, okay, and head. All right, that's all. We're just going to paste something right here. Okay, and what are we going to paste? This is what we are pasting. Okay, this is what we are pasting. All right, I'm going to give you access to it. It's either I drop the link to this doc file in the video description, or I paste this directly, okay, in the video description. But anyhow, you're going to get access to this, so do not stress yourself much. All right, so I'm going to copy this, and before you bounce and go ahead to copy, please wait a bit, because there's still something we have to add so that it can be applicable to your store. Okay, so please wait a bit, don't go ahead and bounce from this video. So I'm going to copy this just like I said, and I don't know if I copied it. Let me copy again. Okay, so now I'm going to go back, and yep, I'm back here. Okay, thanks for the traveling. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and paste just like this. You can see this is what we've pasted, yeah, in between lang to this part and head. All right, so this is what we've pasted. All right, so what next we want to do is to change this part that says product's name. All right, so you want to change it to the name of the product you're redirecting to, and to do that you want to come to your products. Okay, right here you can see products. Then right here you want to select the product. I'm just going to use this. This is the product I have on this top. So we're going to scroll down to the part that says search engine listing, and you want to click on edit. And the moment you do that, you want to copy this that says seamless, whatever is here, the URL handle. You want to copy it. You don't have to copy the products / just the text in front of it. Okay, this is the only thing you're going to copy. Leave this product / alone, or don't copy all these ones here. Okay, you don't need to copy all these ones here. All right, just copy only this, okay, which is the product's name. So the moment you do that, go back to the Explorer, then we paste, and right here you can see it's there. Now before I hit on save, once again, here is the home page. If I refresh, you see it's still showing the home page. Okay, but now let me go back and click on save, and I go back to refresh. Once I refresh, it will redirect to the products page. So you can see this is it. Okay, this is it exactly. And if I click on home again, it's gonna first show, then redirect. You see, it's as simple as this. All right, so this is exactly how you can redirect, okay, your homepage, your product page on Shopify if you are using the Pitch theme. All right, so I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, please kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this, because I've got several tutorials regarding pitch team on this channel, so you can check them out. I've got pitch team customization and several other things that to change for the other stuff, kind of stuff right on this channel. You can go ahead, check them out, check my channel, and possibly I might link to some in the video description also for you guys. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.